Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates! Kamusta po kayo? Andito po ang inyong lingkod, Renz sa Tarot Channel para bigyan po kayo ng isang soulful na meaningful na tarot reading. Maraming salamat po sa inyong overwhelming na response po sa ating pagbabalik. Matagal pong nawala ang inyong lingkod but here you are, nakaka-overwhelm po yung muling pagbabalik inyong support. Nakakatuwa at andyan pa rin po kayo. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Happy New Year! Naway, this 2026 brings you prosperity, good health, and laging masaya lang, happiness and joy in your life, okay? Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating channel, kung bago po kayo, please don't forget to subscribe, mag-comment po kayo, like, and share nyo po ating video. And our reading today is 2026 general reading para sa ating mga pinakamamahal na nasa sign ng Virgo. Okay, Virgo, I know that you're so excited. Pag sinabi po nating general reading, ay hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Takes only what resonates for you at hanapin nyo po yung energy nyo sa ibang reading, okay? Wag na natin pong papatagalin pa. And sige, Virgo, kunin natin ang isang pong baraha, okay? We will shuffle it first. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And I hope that you're doing great. Nagbabasa po ako ng mga comment ng mga uploads ko po kahapon. Nakakatuwa po na karamihan sa mga original kong soulmates ay andyan pa rin at nag-comment at na-miss na daw nila yung reading ko. And they're so happy na nagbalik ako and tutuloy-tuloy na po ito because I'm here already sa Pilipinas. I'm settling for good. Dati kasi nasa overseas po ako pero syempre singit-singit lang yung pag-reading natin. But now I have decided na mag-focus para focusin na po ang ating YouTube channel para mas lalo po tayong maraming matulungan, lalo na kayo ang pinakamahal kong mga soulmates. Sige, Virgo 2026 general reading. Kunin natin ang 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, and Sisters. Give me 10 cards for Virgo, okay? Ito na pong yung unang baraha. Sa mga bago po, maybe you will be wondering bakit parang ang gulo ko po. Ganito po talaga kung mag-shuffle. This is where nakakakuha po tayo ng magagandang baraha na makaka-resonate po ang lahat. Sige? Meron na po tayong tatlo. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. It was very overwhelming. And nakakataba ng puso na hindi nyo po ako iniwan at andyan pa rin po kayo. So, meron na po tayong 6. Last 4 cards for Virgo. Okay, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. Okay, yun, dalawa pa. Kunin na natin to. Last one, Spirit Universe, Spirit. Ayun. Okay. Virgo, kompleto na yung 10 cards for your channel reading for 2026. I know that you're so excited. And wag na natin pang patagalin pa. Let's begin. Okay? For your first card, Virgo. Handa ka na ba? Wow! Here comes the moon. This is a very beautiful opening card. Napakagandang pambungad na para because the moon represents our emotions. 2026 Virgo, there will be an emotional stability but in the way na it is reminding you, pinapaalalahanan kayo also to take care of your emotions. Okay? Tutukan ang mental health, tutukan ang pag-handle ng emotion because 2026 will be overwhelming for you in the sense na baka dahil hindi mo na alam kung ano mga uunahin sa mga bagay-bagay na mabibisi ka baka mamaya magkaroon ng emotional disbalance. Okay, why I'm saying na magkakaroon ng emotional stability but I know kayang-kaya nyo kasi this is not the first time na na-test yung yung emotions nyo, Virgo. Virgos are very intelligent people. You are ruled by Mercury, communication. You just need, pag feeling nyo Virgo, parang nakakaranas kayo ng anxiety or something, or parang may konting iniisip na kahit di naman talaga big deal. Okay, ikaw mismo tutulong sa sarili mo to balance it para hindi na lumala kung ano man yung mga bagay-bagay yan. But this moon card by 2026, your emotions will be tested. But I know that you can balance it. Kayang-kaya mo ang lahat sapagkat hindi nga itong first time na mapapagdaanan mo to. Okay? Then, we will be covering this one. Okay? Tatakpan natin to. But this is a devil card. Okay? Okay. What does it mean? Virgo, you need to also to be extra cautious, maging maingat because alam niyo sa sarili nyo kahit noon pa ngayon, bukas, magpakailanman, ang Virgo ay hindi tatantanan ng mga taong hihilahin ka pababa. There are people who is still not happy for you despite of all the things na ginagawa mo, kabutihan, tulong. Andyan pa rin sila. 2026, 2027, they are still there. Hindi kanila titigilan. Talagang, kumbaga, matik na yan sa mga Virgo na maraming bashers, maraming naiinggit, maraming gustong magpabagsak sa'yo. 2026, meron pa rin yan by this devil card. There are, to the point na siguro itong actually itong mga tao na to, ito din yung mga tao kahit noon pa ba na talagang iritado sa'yo. They don't want you to see happy and successful. That's why hindi pa rin talaga sila titigil. And I know, Virgo, kilala mo sila. You know these people and talagang alam mo na rin kung paano i-handle, kung paano sila i-handle, paano ka mag-react sa kanila, mag-respond sa kanila. And the best way is no response at all. And yan na yung mo ngayon, yung mantra, no response, Virgo. Actually, there are some of you na parang by pagpasok lang ito 2026, you are planning to cut off sa mga tao, mag-deactivate ng social media, magpapakalayo, magpo-focus sa mga goals and dreams. And that is a good thing, Virgo. Pagpatuloy mo yan because the more na you expose yourself to the public, sa mga tao, mas kahit mabuti man ang intention mo, alam mo, sisirain ka nila because they are jealous. They are not happy of your success. Okay? Virgo, nasundan ba? Pangatlo? Okay. Look, your third card is Page of Wands. The energy that I can feel here by 2026 is parang this is kumbaga pilot testing na ng mga bagay na matagal mo nang iniisip or gustong gawin. By 2026, you will have the courage, bibigyan mo na ng chance para simulan ito. Siguro matagal na panahon may gusto na talagang nag-isip ka or nag-decide ka kung talagang sisimulan ko na ba ang bagay na ito. By 2026 talagang you will be starting it. Absolutely, talagang kumbaga buo na ang loob mo, talagang kumbaga pag-ipon ka na lahat, nakita mo na ng signs na hinihingi mo, and talagang you have considered everything. And 2026, this Page of Wands is like sabi ko nga, pilot testing. Sisimulan mo na ito, kung ano man yung nais mong gawin, nais mong balakin, and you will be doing it, okay? And I know, sabi ko nga, dahil because you're very intelligent, sign talaga, hindi naman to basta-basta nagagawin lang na hindi mo pinag-isipan ng mabuti, hindi dumaan sa mga, alam mo yun, may mga factors kang kinonsider sa mga bagay na to. And everything naman na ginagawa ng mga Virgo, talagang you do it talagang according to, kumbaga, sa dahilan na it will give you or will help you sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo-lalo na kinoconsider mo ngayon yung sa mental health mo, yung peace of mind mo. That's why you have settled for that thing na mas pinili mo na lang isang bagay yan because you are choosing peace, happiness over toxicity and unhealthy environment or relationship. Okay? Mag-comment nga kayo, Virgo, kapag naka-resonate kayo, okay? Pang-apat, okay, look. 9 of Swords. Okay, Virgo 2026. Actually, even this last quarter of 2025, you are experiencing it already. Sleepless nights, talagang mayroon pa rin mga bagay na bumabagabag sa iyong isipan. It's not literally na hindi kayo makatulog, but before ka matulog, at least masagi pa rin yan sa isip mo. Natural yan sa Virgo, ang overthinking. Natural yan sa mga earth signs na parang kahit sabi ko nga sa lahat ng mga emotional state na pinagdaanan yung situation, hindi pa rin maiwasan. Natural, because you are human as you are. But 2026, sabi ko nga connected doon sa devil card. Maybe this one, kapag magpa-apekto ka dun sa mga tao, dun sa sabi ko nga sa mga taong patuloy na sisiraan, talagang patuloy na they will be pulling me down, it will affect your mental state. That's why here, ito, dito ka magpupunta kapag pinagpatuloy mo na yan. Kasi marami ka ng pinagdaanan na nabalas mo na lahat, and here you are by 2026. Kung babalik ka na naman dito na talagang parang babalik ka naman dito sa state na to, para nag-entertain ka naman sa mga taong yan, ay nako, here you will be having sleepless nights. At the same time, it will affect your mood, it will affect your everything. Siguro dito sa magandang sisimulan mo, maapektuhan yan. It will not succeed because if you will entertain these people na wala namang naiaambag sa buhay mo. Okay, Virgo? Fifth card. Oh, look. tingnan mo, connect ang baraha. Three of Swords, okay. It's not only broken-hearted, but it will disappoint you. You will be disappointed, you will be frustrated because of these people. That's why it is very important, napakahalaga, sabi ko makinig ka na kapag feeling mo, if you really wanted to disconnect to the public, kung ayaw mo nang magpakita, you do it because talaga maapektuhan ka lang. Toxicity, negativity ang makikita mo kapag nakarinig ka, kapag nakita mo to, kapag may taong, sabi ni ganito, ganyan ka, no? Bakit ganyan? Of course, madali lang sabihin, it's okay, wala naman kong pake, pero deep inside, maapektuhan ka. That's why it's I'm telling you, Virgo, by 2026, kailangan mo muna mag-disconnect. You need to focus on yourself. Hindi kailangan i-show, ipakita kung anong nangyayari sa buhay mo. You need to focus on your goals. Walang iba, alam kong kayang-kaya mo, kahit you are doing things right, kahit walang tumutulong sa'yo, but this time, okay, madi-disappoint ka, ma-frustrate ka kapag lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo by 2026 ay i-expose mo pa rin. Parang ipapakita mo pa rin you are still looking for validation. No, that is not a good thing, Virgo. Okay? Masasaktan ka lang, maapektuhan ka lang. Okay, continue tayo. Tapos na tayo sa first row, sa first 5 cards. Let's continue sa baba. Okay, second row. I hope maraming Virgo na makakapanood dito ngayon at makaresonate. 6 card mo. Oh, look, Ace of Pentacles. Virgo is projected this 2026 to have a very good year in terms of finances. Okay? Because of their very analytical, nasa pagiging matalino in terms of handling. Siguro, sabi ko nga naman nakaraang taon, parang buhay milyonaryo, a one day millionaire, but it was because of their, parang natuto na sila, naging matalino sila sa pag-handle ng mga pera, sa mga bagay-bagay. 2026, there will be a culmination of big blessing that will be coming on your way. Ace of Pentacles also represents new beginnings, new milestone. Maaaring may mga bagong opportunities, bagong trabaho na papasukan, bagong income stream na papasukan ka, or any kind of things na magbibigay sa'yo ng pera, okay? Ace of Pentacles also represents, something, bagay na meron ka pala that you will be discovering na magugulat din ang lahat na gagawin mo pala, but in the sense na talagang it will help you tremendously, talagang malaki ang itutulong nito sa buhay mo, okay? Next is, wow! Diba, tingnan mo, lumabas yung moon, ngayon here comes the sun. The sun card, magkasunod pa sila ng Ace of Pentacles. A bright year, a life full of brightness, positivity, confidence, 2026. That's why sabi ko nga, Virgo, please, this is your year. That's why you need to focus on the things that you really want. Hindi pwedeng you will be asking validation sa ibang tao, kasi kung maya't maya may blessing, may magagandang bagay na dating sa'yo, tapos i-expose mo, parang ipagyayabang mo, ipapost mo sa social media, makaka-attract ka ng evil eye. This sun card is assuring you talagang na Virgo, it will be a very good year for you. But sabi ko nga kanina, please, kung kaya mo, disconnect muna. Enjoy it personally to the people that you trust, the family, kayo lang muna. Hindi kailangan ipakita sa buong mundo kung ganito, ganito, nanalo ako, na-promote ako, whatsoever, may bagong business, just keep it on yourself, ikaw na lang muna. But this sun card, Virgo, is an indication, is like the card, the energy that I can feel here is 2026 will be a year of happiness. Happiness in the sense na parang nakalaya ka na, parang nagkaroon ka na ng freedom, parang ngayon, sisimulan mo nga, sabi ko nga, parang ito na yung gustong-gusto mo na walang kumukontra sa'yo, walang kukontrol sa'yo. This is the thing that you really want at gagawin mo na yan. But please avoid audience muna. Keep it on yourself and you will receive and experience the true happiness that you're really looking for or you really wanted for a long time. Okay? Ayan o. Paulit-ulit sinasabi. 7 of Swords. You need to move away. Kailangan mong umalis sa sitwasyon. Virgo, there are some of you by 2026 siguro. Sa isang sitwasyon, for you to be happy, you need to really let go of things. Kailangan mong tanggalin yung mga burdens. You need to heal yourself by forgiving things, forgiving people that hurt you, or maaaring ikaw na nakasakit. Or siguro, you need to move away from toxicity, environment that is already not healthy for you. Ikaw, nakakaalam yan. You need to let go. Kailangan mong subukan, bigyan ng pagkakataon ang buhay mo na makalaya. sa mga sitwasyon na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. Okay, let go. You need to tanggalin mo yung mga swords na papabigat sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang mahihirapan kapag hindi ka nag-move on. Ikaw lang mahihirapan kapag hindi ka na feeling mo hindi ka na talaga masaya. Things are not working for you anymore. You need to let go of that things. Okay, kailangan mo talagang umalis sa sitwasyon na yan. Next. Oh, wow. Kanina Ace of Pentacles, now here Ace of Wands. Ayan talagang meron talagang new beginning by 2026, and I am telling you, this Ace of Wands also represents, aside from new opportunities, new milestone, is that talagang this thing, itong bagay na papasukin mo, or itong panibagong chapter ng buhay na that will unfold in your life will not only help you, but it will transform your life in a way na malayong malayo sa dating-dati ka. Okay? Not only, sabi ko nga, hindi lang magugulat ang mga tao sa paligid mo, but you will be, kahit ikaw sa sarili mo, na wow, kinaya ko pala. Meron pala ako nito na throughout the past years talagang puro doubts ang pinairal mo na but talagang you are very courageous, napakatapang mo, talagang tinuloy mo or itutuloy mo ito. And you will say to yourself na, I did a right decision. Talagang napapasabi ka na tama ang decision ko, and I know that itong bagay na itong gagawin mo will set you free, magbibigay ng hindi matbabayaran na happiness sa puso mo, because this is what you really wanted for a long time. Okay? Virgo, 10 and last cards. This is a very beautiful reading, puno ng pag-asa, puno ng positivity for 2026. Look, okay? 4 of Cups. More opportunities, more options. Hindi lang itong mga bagay na iniisip mo, but magugulat ka. There are also opportunities that will be coming on your way. Hindi lang. Actually, itong mga bagay, mga opportunities na ito na parating sa'yo, magugulat ka. Manggagaling din sa mga taong hindi mo kilala or wala kang connection before, but because you will be discovered, because your name will be shining. Magugulat ka, parang referral na lang na ganito, lalapit na lang, magko-contact na lang sa'yo, and they will be offering you something. And this is not only one, marami. And ikaw na kayang-kaya mo na kung alin yung pipiliin mo, consider mo, but this is a good problem for you, Virgo, sa 2026. You will be overwhelmed with opportunities, mga bagay na papasukin mo, and kayang-kaya mo yan. Talagang grabe ng maturity nyo. You are very intelligent sign. Okay, you are very humble. You are very, hindi ka mayapang, matulungin, magandang puso mo. That's why these things, you truly deserve it by 2026. And you will be so happy. Walang pagsidlan ang kasayahan mo, magiging malaya ka. But ulitin ko to summarize this reading, please focus on yourself. No audience muna. Ikaw lang muna. Enjoy mo muna kung anong mga bagay na to. Please focus on yourself. And you will be truly happy and contented, Virgo. Okay? Ayun po, and I hope nagustuhan niyo pong reading natin yan. Kapag hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Tuloy-tuloy na po itong ating reading. Mag-comment po kayo. Please like and share our video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta. And hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, I am praying na maraming nasa sign ng Virgo na makapanood dito ngayon. And you're always on my prayers. Maraming salamat sa tiwala, suporta, pamamahal sa inyong lingkod, Renzo Tarot Channel. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, maraming salamat. Mag-iingat kayong lahat. God bless us all.